Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing 2 colorful lemonade recipes to beat the summer heat. No artificial colors are used in this super healthy green and pink lemonades. So let's get started with the recipes. Into my blender jar, I'm adding in a handful of fresh mint leaves. Into it, I'm adding in 1 glass or 1 cup of water, raw cane sugar as needed, a fat pinch of kala namak, also known as black salt. Next, I'm grating in 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. I'm just scooping out the grated ginger and adding it into the blender. I'm squeezing in half of a lemon and I'm going to blend this until everything is nicely mixed and combined. And my minty green lemonade is nicely blended. I'm transferring the lemonade through a sieve. If you're making for kids, you can adjust cane sugar as per their sweetness. To serve the lemonade, into a serving glass, I'm adding in some ice cubes. 1 to 2 tablespoons of sabja seeds, also known as basil seeds. Basil seeds has cooling properties, hence it's ideal to use in summers. 2 lemon slices and then pour in the lemonade. And lastly, garnish it with a sprig of mint leaves. And my minty green lemonade is ready to serve. To make the pink lemonade, into my blender jar, I'm adding in 1 glass or 1 cup of water, a couple of sprigs of fresh mint leaves. I'm grating in a small piece of ginger, about 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, and adding it into the blender. I'm squeezing in half of a lemon, raw cane sugar as needed, a fat pinch of kala namak, also known as black salt. To make the lemonade pink in color, I am using a small piece of beetroot. Kids will really enjoy this pink lemonade. I am roughly slicing the beetroot and adding it into the blender. You can also grate the beetroot and add in. And now I am going to blend this until everything is nicely mixed and combined. Pour the blended pink lemonade into a cup. To serve the pink lemonade, into a serving glass, I'm adding in some ice cubes. Add in 2 tablespoons soaked basil seeds. Basil seeds, also known as sabja seeds, has cooling properties. Hence, it's ideal to use in the summers. 2 lemon slices and then pour in the pink lemonade. Lastly, garnish it with a sprig of fresh mint leaves. So guys, do try this healthy pink lemonade and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.